Why do people buy an Apple TV when most smart TVs already come with Netflix, YouTube, and every streaming app you could need? It seems unnecessary at first. After all, modern TVs are smarter than ever, packed with features and built-in software. But once you spend some time using an Apple TV, you quickly realize it's not competing with your TV's apps. It's replacing them with something much faster, smoother, and far more polished. For many people, especially those already using Apple products, it becomes one of those devices you didn't think you needed until you tried it.
The biggest difference starts with performance. Most smart TVs use low-powered processors that are designed to keep costs down. They work fine when the TV is new, but after a year or two, menus become sluggish, apps take longer to open, and navigation starts feeling frustrating. Apple TV is powered by the same class of chips used in modern Apple devices, which means everything feels incredibly responsive. Opening apps, switching between content, fast-forwarding through videos, and navigating menus all happen instantly, making the entire viewing experience feel premium.
Picture quality is another area where Apple TV shines. It supports 4K resolution, HDR, Dolby Vision, and advanced video processing that helps content look its absolute best. One of the most impressive features is the ability to use your iPhone to calibrate your television's colors. In less than a minute, Apple TV analyzes your display and adjusts output for more accurate colors and better contrast. It's a small feature, but the improvement can be surprisingly noticeable, especially when watching movies and high-quality streaming content. Then there's the interface itself. Apple has always focused heavily on design, and it shows here. The Apple TV interface feels clean, organized, and intuitive. Apps are arranged in a familiar way that resembles the iPhone and iPad experience, making it easy for anyone already in the Apple ecosystem to feel at home. Unlike many smart TV operating systems that feel cluttered with advertisements and unnecessary recommendations, Apple TV keeps the experience simple and focused on your content. The Siri remote also deserves more credit than it gets. Built from aluminum and designed with a minimalist layout, it feels premium in the hand, while remaining incredibly easy to use. The touch-enabled ClickPad allows for smooth navigation, while the circular gesture control makes scrubbing through videos quick and precise. One of its most useful features is Find My support. If the remote disappears into the couch cushions, you can locate it directly from your iPhone, just like tracking an AirTag. One thing that stands out after extended use is consistency. Apps open instantly, videos start quickly, and the system rarely slows down over time. While many smart TVs receive minimal updates after purchase, Apple continues adding new features and improvements through regular software updates. This long-term support helps the device stay fresh and useful for years, rather than becoming outdated shortly after buying it. Apple has also introduced unique features that go beyond traditional streaming. One example is Insight, which provides real-time information about actors, characters, and music appearing in Apple TV Plus content. As scenes change, the information updates automatically. It's a small but clever addition that helps viewers learn more about what they're watching without needing to pause the movie and search on their phone. The ecosystem integration is where Apple TV truly separates itself from competitors. AirPlay allows users to instantly send photos, videos, presentations, or even mirror their entire screen from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to the television. FaceTime can be displayed on the big screen, creating a much more immersive video calling experience. AirPods connect effortlessly with a simple notification, while Siri can perform useful commands like rewinding dialogue and enabling subtitles with a single voice request. Beyond entertainment, Apple TV expands into gaming, fitness, and productivity. Apple Arcade transforms it into a casual gaming platform with access to high-quality games that can be played using controllers. Fitness Plus workouts become more engaging when displayed on a large television. Apple Music feels more immersive through a living room sound system. And the App Store adds access to a wide variety of additional apps that many smart TV platforms simply don't offer at the same level of quality. Perhaps the most underrated feature is its role as a smart home hub. Apple TV can serve as the central controller for HomeKit-enabled devices, allowing users to manage lights, cameras, door locks, and other smart accessories from anywhere in the world. Notifications from security cameras and video doorbells can appear directly on the television while you're watching a movie, making the entire home feel more connected. When you combine all of these features, performance, ecosystem integration, software support, smart home control, gaming, and premium design, Apple TV becomes much more than a streaming box. It becomes one of the most complete entertainment devices Apple has ever created.